Do you feel trapped in 9 to 5? Yes, I do feel so. Yeah, I do feel that I'm trapped in 9 to 5. I get up at about 5:30, brush my teeth, and go to office. Like before that, I may force feed myself, but in doing so, I could get late from office, so I just skip it at all. I take my breakfast to office and I eat my breakfast at the office table. So we can say that I don't feel good in 9 to 5. However, I do keep doing. I keep on doing so because I don't want to lose my job either. We can say that. Why? Because I don't have any other income stream or enough resources to survive on my own. So we have to make some trade off. We have to make some sacrifices so that we can earn our livings. However, sometimes I do think that, like for example, those people who don't have jobs, who don't have enough resources, like they too survive. But like maybe I don't want to be like, become like that. Maybe I am frightened. Maybe I'm not that much risky, or I'm not strong enough like them. I do say that they are strong because they don't fear the circumstances, but I do so. So a thought of losing job, like it makes me frightened. Like what will I do? How will I survive? And for a couple of months I have been jobless. I did nothing, just uh, laying on my bed and doing nothing, applying for jobs and all that. So thought of that losing a job make me frightened, like what will I do? And in comparison to that, when I think that for example, if I have something to do for, let's say it could be anything. So it wouldn't be that much scary to lose a job. For example, if I own some cows or sheep uh, on my farm somewhere, so and I have a 9 to 5 job, so okay, so I will get up early, I will do some farm chores, domestic work, and then we can go to job office. So if I have to make a switch, if I have to just abandon my job, I could resign because I would still have to do things. I would still have something to do. So yeah, I believe that one should not solely rely on 9 to 5 and have some extra activities, some extra. It could be minimal, but he or she should have some extra income stream, so that they can pass their time, they can earn their living, maybe less than that of 9 to 5, but still they will have to do something. So yeah, uh, I believe this is my plan. This is how we can get out of this trap, and I believe so. Okay, it's raining, and we are in Riyadh, KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So from past couple of months, it's raining more than it used to rain. So because then if you look at the weather records or talk to locals or natives, they will tell you like it never rained like that, and this is the change in rain pattern. It could be climate change or something like that, but still, today weather is pleasant. Let me show you. It is a pleasant weather. Like it's cloudy, it's a little bit of rain, and we have a nice wind flowing around. So yeah, it's great. All right, see you again, and with some better plan, with better strategy to get out of 9 to 5 rat race. uh, I have read somewhere that they say that it is 9 to 5, but it is never 9 to 5. It goes beyond 5 and it starts earlier than 9. So better have some backup plans, better have some other income streams to earn our livings. And I will post again, and I would do like to learn from you people, to read from you people, Like, what do you think, and what plan do you have? What plan do you have to get out of this 9 to 5? All right, see you. Bye bye.